Hello students, today we are discussing about the functions of true fat or the neutral fat. In our previous video we had talked about what are the types of true fats and how they are classified. In this video we will discuss about the functions. Firstly, we will have a short recap of the previous video. That is, the true fats are basically divided into the two categories, that is saturated fats and the unsaturated fats. The saturated fatty acids are made up of glycerol plus fatty acid. Clear? These are the saturated true fats in which a glycerol and a fatty acid molecule is there, and the bond between carbon-carbon atom is the single bond. These are the saturated fats and these are solid at room temperature. These are solid at room temperature. For example is the ghee is the example. Second one is the unsaturated fat. In this unsaturated fat, glycerol and fatty acids, that is the unsaturated fatty acids. Here the fatty acids are saturated, and in case of this, glycerol plus unsaturated fatty acids are there. So this is called as unsaturated fat, and these are liquid at room temperature, and the bond between the carbon atoms may be double bond or the triple bond. That's why they are called as unsaturated fatty acids. We are consuming the unsaturated fatty acids. If our body is consuming unsaturated fatty acids through the food, these unsaturated fatty acids are going to hydrogenation, not hydrolyze. The process is taking place that is called as hydrogenation. It means the addition of hydrogen is taking place and the double and triple bonds gets break down into the single bond, and the fat is converted into the saturated fat. Clear? So these saturated fat are deposited in our body. Unsaturated fat is also converted into the saturated fat by the process of hydrogenation. About all these we had discussed in the previous video. In this lecture, the functions of true fats. Clear? So we will discuss about functions of true fat. True fat is a type of simple fat. Clear? So here functions of neutral fat or the true fat. First important function is these fatty acids get deposited in the below the layer of skin. So these are deposited below the skin, and they are called as subcutaneous fat. Subcutaneous fat. This fat acts as insulatory substance, or it provides insulation. So it is the one important function of the neutral fat. The second important function is this fat protects the internal organs from the mechanical shocks. So it protects the internal organs from the mechanical shocks. This is the second important function of the neutral fat. And the third one is this fat is stored in the body as a storage form of energy. So this is the stored in the form of energy. Clear? So these all about the functions of the neutral fat, in which first is it provide insulation because it get deposited below the skin, and it also provide protection to the internal organs from the mechanical shocks, and the third one is it is stored in the form of energy in the body. This is all about the neutral fat. Now the second type of simple fat, that is called as waxes. Waxes are also a type of simple fat, and these are also the esters of fatty acids and alcohol other than glycerol. This is the important thing. Here the alcohol is present which is other than glycerol. If the glycerol is attached with fatty acid, then the type of fat is neutral or true fat. In case of waxes, the fatty acids are going to attach with the alcohol other than the glycerol. That's why it is the different type of fatty acid that is called as waxes. Now we will discuss about the different types of waxes. First important wax, that is called as plant wax. This plant wax is basically present in the hydrophytes. Hydrophytes means the aquatic plants. We know that the aquatic plants, the leaves of the aquatic plants have a waxy layer on its surface, so that the leaf cannot be decomposed in the water. So this waxy substance is the plant wax, which is basically present in the leaves of hydrophytes, and it forms the cuticle layer of the leaves, the outermost layer, which is the protective layer, and it prevents the process of transpiration. Second one is called as bee wax. Bee wax, it is obtained from honey bees. Basically, the wax glands are present in the last abdominal segment of the worker bees. In a beehive, three types of bees are there. That one is queen, drones, and the worker bees. The wax glands are present in the last abdominal segment of worker bees. Last abdominal segment of worker bees. This is the wax gland, and this wax gland is secreted by these worker bees, which is deposited in the beehive, and this wax is used for making the candles and etc. The honey is obtained from the beehive, which has a medicinal value, and the wax which is used, that is called as bee wax. The next type of wax is ear wax. This bee wax is basically yellow in color, and it is soft. Clear? The next type of wax, that is called as ear wax. Next is the ear wax, which is also called as cerumen. Ear wax, it is also called as cerumen, and this cerumen is secreted by ceruminous glands present in the ear. Ceruminous glands of the ear. This wax is secreted by ceruminous glands of the ear, and this ear wax protects the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. It protects the eardrum or tympanic membrane. Clear? So this is the function of ear wax which is present inside the ear. Next type of wax that is present in the sebum. What is sebum? Sebum is the oily secretion of the sebaceous gland of skin. This sebum is the oily secretion secreted by the sebaceous glands present in the skin. Basically, these glands are more active at the facial region, and this will secrete a type of oily substance that is called as sebum. One more type of wax that is called as linolin, which is secreted by the glands of sheep. That is the linolin. Clear? It is secreted by the glands of sheep. And the sheep from which we obtain the wool, that linolin is secreted by the sheep. One more type of wax that is called as paraffin wax. This paraffin wax is not come under the category of these type of waxes. The above waxes are the different type of waxes which are obtained from plants and animals. Here the paraffin wax is a category of different type of wax. This paraffin wax is obtained from the fractional distillation of the crude oil, that is petroleum. So paraffin wax is a different type of wax. It is basically used in making Vaselines and any other cosmetic products, and this is a chemical type of wax which is obtained from the fractional distillation of crude oil or the petroleum. So this is all about the simple type of fats in which we have discussed about true or neutral fats and the waxes. In our next video, we will discuss about the another type of fats, that is conjugated lipids and the derived lipids. Thank you very much.